Assalamu alaikum. I am Ahmed Rafid. I'll be presenting our project audio detection pattern. So what we have done in this project is we'll give a particular audio file or music to the computer, which is a MP3 file, and our computer will detect through this code how many times a particular phrase or a particular word has been arrived in that audio or music, which will be given by us. Okay, so for this test, we have done this code in MATLAB, and for the test, we will select. We have selected this audio file Maula Mere song. So if I play it, see, it's a 6 minutes 4 second with audio, and the phrase. We want to find how many times this Maula Mere has been arrived. This Maula Mere phrase has been arrived in this audio. So I have downloaded it. I have downloaded the whole song as the target file and the Maula Mere phrase as the template file. Okay. So here is our code. So how the code works, I will explain it. But let me run this code first. So I am running this code. Here you can see it is asking the template file. Okay, so template means the Maula Mere phrase. So I am selecting it. Here is our template file, the Maula Mere phrase. And now it is asking for the target file, which is the full song. Okay, so I am selecting it again. This is the target file, the full song, 6.04 minute song. The code has been running, and let's wait for a while till that code runs. Here you can see it is still running. Yeah, we can see the report, Maula Mere detection report. So total occurrence detected is 67 times, and the average occurrence strength is 0.29, and minimum correlation strength 1.16, and maximum correlation strength is 1. This should be 1. Okay, so I will explain the code, and here you can see that the total correlation occurrence detected is 67. That means 67 times our Maula Mere phrase has been occurred in the song. It might vary due to the threshold value what we have selected. We can tune it according to our preference. So here you can see the code. So first of all, this part, this whole part is for taking the input from the user. This part, here you can see the input from the users. Then in this part, what we are doing is we are making it a mono stereo channel. That means when we use the audio, we use two channels, right, for a left and right ear. But we don't need that in our particular case. We are converted into we are doing the average and converted into a one stereo channel. Okay, and frequency goes to frequency 1. Okay, then we are using a band pass filter. So why is this filter? Because that music has many tones and many frequencies, like the instruments that has been used and many other noises, but we want to detect the Maula Mere phrase, which is a vocal. So we want to use a bandpass filter, which is filter out the particular human voice, which is from, you can see, which is from 300 hertz to 3400 hertz. Okay, so in this range we will be filtering out the whole song. Okay, then this is the main part. This is the cross correlation. We are making the cross correlation. What does it do is, first it will, for the Maula Mere phrase and the song, for the both things, it will make a correlation. What it means is, it will first slide the Maula Mere phrase from the beginning of the song to the end of the song and detect how many times it matches the song. Okay, so for the by doing that, it will detect how many times the Maula Mere phrase has been occurred in the song. So then we can, for the fine tuning, we have detected how many times it has been occurred, but for the fine tuning we can use a threshold value. That means if you there will be some correlation with the noise, the correlation with some other phrases. So if we select every correlation, we cannot detect the particular value of the time what it has been occurred. So we will select a threshold value for which we can by which we can select that, okay, for 0.1, if the correlation value is above 0.16, we can say that yes, the Maula Mere phrase has been occurred there. So we have selected it for 0.16, the threshold value, and we are finding the peaks. So by finding the peaks, we can particularly detect how many times it has been occurred there. Okay, so this was it, and after that we are doing the clustering and printing the reports. So it was all about the project. So thank you very much for listening. Assalamu alaikum.